Good morning, students. Earlier we discussed about the concepts related to finding the total surface area and lateral surface area of the three-dimensional objects. Here the question is given. This is the question 10.1 exercise. First problem: find lateral surface area and total surface area of the following right prisms. In earlier video I discussed about what is a right prism. Okay, so here clearly the all dimensions are same, that is here length, height, breadth all are same, means it is a cube. So you have to form the total surface area of the cube because it is having 6 faces, 6s square. Okay, that is 6s square. TSA is 6s square. What is this here? S is 4. Then TSA will be 6 into s square, that is 4 square. So 6 into 4 square means 16. 16 6 are 96 centimeter square. So this is the total surface area of this cube. What is the lateral surface area? Lateral surface area we have the formula 4s square. What is s here? S is 4. Now 4 into s square, again 4 square. So 4 into 4 square is 16. 16 4s are 64. Now this is the cuboid because here length is 8 centimeters and breadth is 6 centimeters and height is 5 centimeters. So we already have the LSA of cuboid. LSA of cuboid is 2h into L plus B. 2h into L plus B, and total surface area is 2 into LH plus HB plus BH. Okay, now here we are having L equal to H, and B equal to 6 and H equal to 5. Okay, so now we just substituting the values 2H into L plus B. That is 2 into, what is H here? 5 centimeters. L plus B. What is L? 8 plus B. 8 plus 6 is 14. Okay, so that is 14 5 are 70. 72 is 140 centimeters square. 140 centimeters square. Again, the total surface area is 2 into LH plus HB plus BH. That is 2 into LH. L and H. 8 5 are 40. And HB, height into breadth. 5 6 are 30. Now BH. BH means breadth into length. That is 8 6 are 48. Now by adding all these things, 40 plus 30 is 70. 70 plus 48. 70 plus 48 is 118. Okay. So 118 into 2. 118 into 2 is, that is 236 centimeters square. 236 centimeters square. So this is the total surface area of the cuboid, and lateral surface area of the cuboid is 2h into L plus B. 2 into h is 5. L means 8. And breadth is 6. That is 2h into L plus B. We are getting 140 centimeters square, and total surface area is 236 centimeter. Now the second question: the total surface area of a cube is 1350 square meters. Then find its value. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ లో మనకు ఏమి ఇచ్చాడంటే ఒక క్యూబ్ యొక్క టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఇచ్చాడు. టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఇచ్చేసి దాని వాల్యూని కనుక్కోమంటాడు. అంటే మనం వాల్యూ కనుక్కోవాలంటే ఏం తెలియాలి? ఆ క్యూబ్ యొక్క సైడ్ తెలియాలి. కానీ మనకి ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్ గా సైడ్ ఇవ్వలేదు. సైడ్ ఇవ్వకుండా దాని యొక్క టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియాని ఇచ్చాడు. ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు? 1350 స్క్వేర్ మీటర్స్ అని ఇచ్చాడు. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద క్యూబ్. సపోజ్ what is the formula for total surface area of a cube? We have 6s square. 6a square. That is given as TSA equal to 1350 square meters. I am just writing a 1350 number. The formula for total surface area is 6s square, which is equal to 1350. So now we can find the value of s using this equation. So 6s square equal to 1350. Again, this s is the unknown variable. We we can find S by using S square equal to 1350 divided by 6. 6 into S square. If 6 comes to this side, it will be in the denominator, that is division. So S square equal to 6 1 the 6 to the 12, 1 15, 6 to the 3 0 30 6 5, that is 225. S square equal to 225. Then please, what is S square? S square equal to 225 means we can write 225 as a square of which number? 15 square. Okay, so that is S square equal to 15 square. It implies S equal to 15. It implies S equal to 15. Okay, now we need to find out the value of this cube. What is the value? Value formula. Value of cube is S cube, that is 16 cube. So that is 15 square into 225. 15 square into 15. That is 225 into 15. So that is 15 into 200, 3000. 25 into 15, 375. That is 3375 square. 3375 cubic meters. Value కాబట్టి మనకు cubic meter లో రాయాలి. Okay. Third problem in 10.1 exercise. Here it is given that find the area of 4 walls of a room if its length is 12 meters, breadth 10 meters, and height 7.5 meters. Okay. Generally, the room may be in the shape of a cube or cuboid. So here it is given 3 dimensions is given to us. Find the area of the 4 walls of a room if its length is 12 meters. So L is given as 12 meters, breadth is 10 meters, and height is which is 7.5 meters. So 4 walls of a room means we need to find out the lateral surface area of the room. That is lateral surface area of the cuboid. What is the lateral surface area? So that is 2h into L plus B. The formula for lateral surface area is 2h into L plus B. That is 2 into what is it? 7.5 into L plus B. That is 12 plus 10. So 7.5 into 2. So 15. So 12 plus 10. That is 22. So 22 into 15. So 15 to the 30, 0. 3 is carrying. 15 to the 30. That is 330. 330 meter square. Okay. So this is the required surface area of 4 walls. Okay. 1200 centimeter cube. The length 15 centimeters and breadth is 10 centimeters. Then find its height. Okay. Given that there is a cuboid with the value, how much value? It is given 1200 centimeter cube. So value of this cuboid is 12 centimeter cube. Now, given that length is 15 centimeters, length is 15 centimeters, and breadth is 10 centimeters, then what is the height? We need to find out the height. So given V equal to, that is V equal to 1200. So what is V? Value of cuboid is L into B into H. That is L into B into H equal to 1200. So and the length and breadth is already given. That is 15 into 10 into H, which is equal to 1200. So that is we need to find out this variable value. So 15 into 10. These are in the multiplication to H. If it is comes this side, those two numbers will be in the denominator. That is H equal to 1200 by 15 into 10. 0 0 will be cancelled. 15 ones are 15 8. Therefore, H value is 8. Therefore, height of this cube is H. Once again, I will repeat the explanation. So there is a cuboid with value 1200 centimeter cube. The length is 15 centimeters and breadth is 10 centimeters. Then find its height. The value which value is 1200 centimeter cube. అయితే height ఎంత అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. length ఇచ్చాడు, breadth ఇచ్చాడు. So length is 15 and breadth is 10. We need to find out the value of h. Therefore, h equal to 1200 by 15 into 10. So then 0 0 will be cancelled. 15 ones are 15 8s are. The value of h will be 8. Now the fifth question, it is given that how does the total surface area of a box change if each dimension is doubled? Second one, each dimension is tripled. జనరల్గా మనకు బాక్స్ అనేది ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే క్యూబాయిడ్ షేప్లో ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చారంటే if each dimension is doubled, then surface area, how the total surface area will change. Surface area అనేది ఏ విధంగా చేంజ్ అవుతుందని ఇస్తున్నాను. ఓకే, అడుగుతున్నాను. సో జనరల్గా ఒక క్యూబాయిడ్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను నేను. క్యూబాయిడ్ యొక్క టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఏమవుతుంది? ఇఫ్ LB చాలా డైమెన్షన్స్, the total surface area of this cuboid is 2 into LH plus BH plus LB. Okay. సో ఇక్కడ ఏమంటున్నాడు, ఫస్ట్ వన్ లో ఈచ్ డైమెన్షన్ ఇస్ డబుల్ అన్నాడు. అంటే L అనేది 2L అవుతుంది, B అనేది 2B అవుతుంది, H అనేది 2H అవుతుంది. సో డబుల్, ఇది ప్రతిదీ కూడా డబుల్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, అప్పుడు మనం ఈ ఫార్ములాలో మనం ఏం రాసుకోవాలి? L becoming 2L, H is becoming 2H. Now 2B 2H, 2L 2B. Okay, now so we keep 2 as this, which is in the formula. Now 2 to the 4, 4 LH, 2 to the 4, 4 BH, 2 to the 4, 4 LB. Now you can take 4 common from these three terms. 2 into 4 into LH plus BH plus LB. Now if 4 comes, if I am writing 2 into 4 as 4 into 2 into LH plus BH plus LB. So here it is nothing but the total surface area of the actual cuboid. It is nothing but the total surface area of the actual cuboid. That is 4 into TSC. Okay. So once again I will repeat. If there is a box is given to us, this is in the shape of a cuboid. Okay. The question is, how does the total surface area of a box change if each dimension is doubled? Okay. Here the three dimensions are L, B, H for a cuboid. First of all, I am writing the total surface area of this cuboid as 2 into LH plus BH plus LB. Then each dimension is doubled. L is becoming 2L, B is becoming 2B, H is becoming 2H. That is L into H, that is 2L into 2H. B into H, 2B into 2H. L into B, 2L into 2B. In place of LBH, I am taking 2L, 2B, 2H. Then 2 to the 4, 4LH. 2 to the 4, 4BH. 2 to the 4, 4LB. In every term, I am having 4. I am taking 4 common. That is 2 into 4 into LH plus BH plus LB. Okay. Now, in place of 2 into 4, I can write 4 into 2. But this is nothing but the total surface area of the actual cuboid. So 4 into TSA. That is, if each dimension is doubled, the total surface area will change into 4 times. The actual surface area ki 4 times avundante. Suppose 100 ఉంది అనుకోండి, దాని యొక్క total surface area ఏమవుతుందంటే మనకు 400 అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో if each dimension is doubled, మరి ట్రిపుల్ అయింది అనుకోండి. సో దట్ ఈస్ E becoming 3L, 3B, 3H. 3L, 3H. 3B, 3H. 3L, 3B. So that is 2 into 9LH plus 9BH plus 9LB. So again, in each and every term we are having 9 as common. 2 into 9. So LH plus BH plus LB. So again I can make this 2 into 9 as 9 into 2. LH, BH and LB. So again this is nothing but the total surface area of the actual cuboid. That is 9 into TSC. Okay. what is the meaning of this one 9 into DSA? If each dimension is tripled, then total surface area will change 9 times, increase 9 times. Okay? అంటే మనకు ఏమి ఇచ్చారంటే ఇక్కడ సేమ్ సింపుల్ గా క్వశ్చన్ యొక్క ఎండ్ లో ఏమి ఇచ్చారంటే express in words, can you find the total surface area of the box if each dimension is raised to n times? అంటే 2 times పెరిగితే ఏమైంది ఇంత ప్రాబ్లం 2 స్క్వేర్ 4 DSA వచ్చింది. 3 టైమ్స్ రైజ్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది 9 DSA వచ్చింది. అదే విధంగా n అనేది l అనేది nn, b అనేది nb, h అనేది nh. అయినట్టు ప్రతి దానిలో కూడా మనకి వస్తుంది LA NL NH, NB NH, NL NB. అంటే టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా మనకు ఈచ్ డైమెన్షన్ రేజ్డ్ టు n టైమ్స్, దెన్ టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా విల్ బి చేంజ్డ్ టు n స్క్వేర్ టైమ్స్. చూడండి 2 టైమ్స్ డబుల్ చేస్తే ఏమైంది 2 స్క్వేర్ 4 into DSA 3 టైమ్స్. అంటే ఈచ్ డైమెన్షన్ 3 టైమ్స్ చేస్తే టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా అనేది 3 స్క్వేర్ టైమ్స్ 9. ఓకే, సో దేర్ఫోర్ అదే విధంగా ఈచ్ డైమెన్షన్ ని మనం n టైమ్స్ చేంజ్ చేస్తే అదేమవుతుంది n స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే.